The judge does not raise his voice. He doesn't need to. After reviewing the evidence and the eyewitness accounts, he says evenly, "This court finds Joe Newton and his accomplices, Poco Hernandez, Brock Theodore, and Arnold Tom, responsible for the deaths of multiple individuals." The words fall like stones. The record shows a pattern of extreme violence, a complete disregard for the rule of law, multiple counts of capital murder, the deliberate killing of a civilian, the killing of law enforcement officers in the line of duty. Brock shifts in his seat, breathing hard. The use of destructive devices against private property, the judge continues, the reckless endangerment of the public, the widespread loss of life, these acts represent a direct and severe threat to public safety. Brock snaps. But they were criminals. The judge doesn't look at him. These are not mistakes, he says calmly. They are the most egregious crimes this court recognizes. Silence. Then, without emotion, do the defendants have legal representation? Behind them, Brock's parents break. His mother presses a hand to her mouth. His father shakes his head slowly, whispering, "Son, what have you done?" Brock sees them. He doesn't argue. He covers his face with his hands. Poco swallows, voice trembling. "Madre mia, I didn't mean harm." Joe stands. "No, Your Honor," he says quietly. "We don't need one." Brock's head snaps up. "What?" He slams his hands on the table. "No lawyer? Joe, are you serious?" Joe doesn't turn around. The judge nods once. "Very well." He lifts the gavel. "The evidence against you is overwhelming. This court sentences Joe Newton and his accomplices to life imprisonment without the possibility of parole." The gavel strikes. Justice must be served. Another strike. Case closed. The sound echoes longer than it should. Brock screams, "No! Bro! This can't be it!" Poco shakes his head, tears spilling. "Madre mia, no Podemos." Joe exhales once. "So," he says calmly, "this is it." Arnold bounces in his seat, panic finally breaking through confusion. Life like forever? In jail? Zoom. Poco's wife collapses into tears, nearly fainting where she stands. Arnold's grandparents stare at him in silence, no anger left, only sorrow. Barley remains dark, unmoving. Guards surge forward, chains clink, hands grip shoulders. Slow Joe and his team are pulled from their seats and led away, the courtroom blurring behind them. The doors close, and the sentence begins.